let's start our stretch. We start with some breathing exercises. Your feet are slightly apart, they're hip distance apart, and your core is engaged. And let's stretch the arms forward. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Open your chest. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and exhale. One more deep inhale and full exhale. Now hands to thighs. Take a deep breath in as you stretch up onto toes. Reach up and exhale. And again, inhale. Stretch as tall as you can. And exhale. Deep breath in. Keep your eyes focused if you're losing your balance. And exhale. One more tall stretch. Inhale. That also helps to be on a firm surface, for balance. Now hands to chest and exhale and exhale. Keep your abs tight to protect your spine. Exhale, exhale. Nice exhale, forceful exhale. Squeeze out all that stale air from the bottom of your lungs. And last one, and back to center. Take your arms up, breathe in, and exhale. Stretch to the side. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Stretch tall and exhale. Now keeping your abs tight, hold the stretch there, hold it, breathe in and out, breathe in and out, breathe in and exhale up to center. Take another breath in and exhale, hold it to the other side, breathe in and out, breathe in and out, breathe in and exhale to center. Hands to shoulders. Let's warm up those shoulders, loosen them up. Inhale as you open your chest. Exhale. Try and touch the elbows together. Now let's go the other way. Remember your exhale. One more circle. Good. Now the hips. Hands to hips and gentle circles. Again, keep your core engaged, your abs, and squeeze the glutes so that you have support for your back. And then let's go the other way. And one more. And back to center. Good. Pull your arm down with one hand. For me, I'm pulling down the left arm with my right hand. It might look opposite to you, depending on whether you're watching on Zoom or Facebook. Now, lower your opposite ear to your shoulder. So you're stretching your neck away from the stretched arm. Your head tilts to the opposite side as the stretched arm. And then hold over your head and gently pull away from the stretched arm. Now you're stretching from fingertips all the way up your arm, your neck, to your ear. Take care with your neck. It's a gentle stretch, no force. And come back to center. Let's do the other side. I'm pulling my right arm down. My head tilts to the left. Stretch into your fingers. And then hold over your head. Gently pull away from your stretched arm, lengthening that stretched arm even more. Drop that shoulder. And come back to center. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Lift your arms. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Make sure your abs are tight. Draw your navel back towards your spine. Lower your chin to your chest. Lower your hands towards the floor so you lengthen your arms and you drop your shoulders. And then hold the back of your head with both hands. Gently pull your head down. Check if your feet are still parallel while you're looking down. You should feel the stretch all the way down to between your shoulder blades. For stretching, we need to do long holds to get the effect of it. And come back to center. Now let's spread our legs wide. The toes are turned forward, so the feet are parallel. Make sure core is engaged before you start any movements. Take your arms out at shoulder level. Breathe in and exhale, arm over. Inhale and exhale, other side. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Keep abs tight, that supports your back. Now hold it there. And as you exhale, slide the lower hand just slightly down your leg. Little bit lower every time you exhale. And then come up. Inhale and exhale to the other side. Hold it. Slide your hand a little bit lower. And then come up with tight abs, stretch up, bend your knees, lower your hands towards the floor. If you can't get your hands down, you can use a book or a block, and if that's impossible, you can have your hands on your knees. Now with hands down, straighten your legs as much as you can. Now, put one hand in that center space between your two hands and take the other arm up level with your shoulder. Horizontal arm, and look at your fingertips. You'll see if it's level with the floor. Hold it there. And then take it all the way up to the ceiling, pressing on the hand on the floor, and keep your two hips level. So if you're lifting the right arm, then the left hip will tend to sag. So just lift that left hip up a little, the opposite hip from the arm that's lifted. And lower the hand to the floor. Raise your other arm level with your shoulder. Look at your fingertips. If your knees are half bent,
That's okay, but keep one hand on the floor.
And raise your arm all the way up. And remember to lift the opposite hip to keep the two hips level. Your abs are working all the time. Core support. Then lower both hands to the floor. Bend your knees, drop your hips quite low. Come up onto fingertips and then slowly uncurl your body and come up all the way. Now take a breath in, twist and face one leg. And then reach for the outside of that leg and hold it. Take your head as close to that leg as you can get it. Once again, if you have a back problem, it's a good idea to keep that knee slightly bent. Then hold the outside of your leg with opposite hand. So I've got my right hand to left leg. It might be different for you. The other way around, doesn't matter. And lift your upper arm. Put both hands back on your leg. Walk your feet across to the center. Bend your knees. And again, uncurl your spine. Come up all the way. Stretch up tall. Twist to face the other leg. And stretch, lengthen your body to the outside of that leg and hold it. Take your face as close to that knee as you can. Again, keep the knee bent if there's strain in the back. Remember to exhale while you're holding. Now hold the outside of that leg with opposite hand and raise the other arm up to the ceiling. Hold it. And then lower both hands to your leg. Bend your knees, bring your hands back to center. Bend your knees quite a bit. And then come up all the way. And stretch your arms out. Turn your toes out. We're going to stretch sideways. So reach sideways. Take a breath in and exhale. Stretch. Lower the hand to the leg, anywhere, doesn't matter where it lands. And then stretch your free arm up and look up. Now bring that arm over your ear. And we're going to take it all the way to the leg as we exhale. And inhale over your ear. And exhale down to your leg. Inhale and exhale. Do it 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now bend the front knee and slowly come up. Good, let's do the other side. We reach to the side. Breathe in and exhale. Stretch sideways. Lower the hand to the left. Stretch your other arm up. Really lift up into fingertips. Even your rib cage. Lift up. And bring the arm over your ear. Exhale to your leg. Inhale. Open your ribs. And exhale. Remember, if there's strain in the back, keep the front legs slightly bent and exhale. 2 more. Inhale and exhale. Last one. And exhale. Bend the knee and slowly come up. Let's come to the back end of the mat. facing your mat. Your mat is in front of you. We're going to do a curl down, so nod chin to chest. And slowly curl down all the way. Let your arms hang. Slightly bent knees till your hands are on the floor. Now straighten your legs as much as you can. If they're still half bent, that's okay. But keep the hands on the floor, don't let them dangle. One more breath in and a big exhale. And walk your hands forward into down dog. Press your heels down to the floor. Let your head hang between your arms. Lift your hips as high as you can. 2 more breaths. Now bend one knee and press the other heel to the mat. Feel that love stretch up the calf, the back of your leg. And change. Remember to exhale. Never a good idea to strain while you're stretching. You relax into the stretch. Change your feet again. And again. And put your heel down. Both heels are down now. Bring your hands a little bit closer to your feet so that you can hold your